Hi and welcome back to my channel. Since a lot of you asked me for more baked pasta recipes, I'm going to go with the king of baked pasta, which is lasagne. The traditional, easy, simple way that all Italian families make at home and that we learn more or less together with our alphabet. So let's get to it without any further ado. So we start by making our pasta. Please ignore how I make it. I tried to make a volcano with my flour and to add the eggs, but somehow the eggs dripped all over the surface and a huge mess started, and now I'm struggling to try to make a nice dough. So an eternity later we get something that resembles a nice dough. It's still quite tough and hard to work with, but we go on. Then we'll place it into a plastic bowl that will make it easier when we separate it in order for it not to dry out. We separate it in order not to get a kilometer-long piece of lasagna, and we will start working it through the machine. This means placing it into the machine, working it through, folding it, putting it through again until it gets nice and smooth. This will take approximately an eternity. Time to chop our vegetables for our sofrito. Heat up some oil in a skillet and add your vegetables. I used onions, celery and carrots. Fry them until slightly soft. Then it's time to add your minced meat. And here's where the voiceover finishes. Now it's time to add some red wine. It's time to add some tomato sauce. Now we turn down the heat and leave it to boil until it gets a bit thicker. While we wait for our sauce to thicken, we take care of our bechamel sauce. We start by making a roux, which is butter with flour. Now we gradually add the milk. Now it's starting to bubble. This is when we switch off the heat. We add some broth. You can use a bouillon cube or I have the powder version. You can then adjust it with salt and pepper and some nutmeg. Mix it. Nutmeg. Some pepper. Now we try it. Try not to burn ourselves. Needs more salt. Perfect. As a kid I used to love this. This was the best part of the whole lasagna process when my mom made lasagna. And I was always hoping that I could eat the whole bowl, but she always left me only the pot to lick out. Now it's time to check on our sauce and assemble the whole lasagna. So now you see that the sauce is thicker than before. And we have to season it with salt and pepper. I'm quite salty, so don't mind me. Mix it. so that you don't find a piece that is extremely salty. I actually have that quite often when I make a salad. If I don't stir it well, I get like the leaf that is impregnated with salt, and then the rest of the salad is very tasteless. And since I have it, some oregano. The way I put it in, remove the lid and just throw it in. Otherwise, not enough comes out. Close it, stir it, try it. Nice. Now get an oven-proof mold or form or anything. Put some olive oil on the bottom and start layering. Start with the pasta that I just made. Now add a layer of sauce. And now a layer of bechamel sauce. Now for the last layer and top garnishing, we add a nice drizzle of Parmigiano Reggiano, or in my case, Grana Padano. And now it goes into the oven for 45 minutes at 180 degrees. And here we have our final dish. We have our lasagna with our nice and crusty crust. Nice and crispy crust, maybe. And well, I'll go and eat because it's already quite late. It's like 4 o'clock in the afternoon and I still haven't had lunch. But I would like to thank you for joining me today. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you would like to have more baked pasta recipes, let me know. If you make this and would like to share with me what you made, I would love to see your creations, so you can tag me on Instagram. And if you would like to see more recipes like these, please subscribe to my channel. For now, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!